Leetcode practice time. So in this video there are two goals. The first goal is to see how to solve this problem. So we will find the solution and then put some code here. And the second goal is to see how to behave in a real interview. So let's get started. So in a real interview, the first step is always try to understand the problem and ask some clarification questions and think about some edge cases that can potentially break the general algorithm. So let's see, palindrome permutation. So given a string, determine if a permutation of the string could form a palindrome. Okay, so let's see, example 1 code is false, example 2 is true because we can change it to ABA, and for example 3 it itself is a palindrome, so it's going to return true. Okay, so I think we mostly understand the problem. The only edge case I can think about is if it is empty string, should we return true or false? So let's assume that we are just going to return true here. So the next step is going to be finding solution. So I don't think there's too much room to talk about the solution. I would say we just do a one pass through the string, and at the same time you could use a hash map to record the frequency of each character, and at the end we make sure that for each key within the hash map, no more than one character has all the frequency. Or you can do even better. So for example, we can have a hash set of the characters. So if the set doesn't contain the character, we just add it. If it already contains the character, we remove it from the set. And finally, make sure that the size of the set is no more than 1. So that also fits. So let's go with the set solution. So the next part is about coding. So for coding, care about your correctness and readability and also the speed. So let's do some coding work. So for this one, we'll get the character. This is a set, is new hash set. For car C ENS dot to car array, and then if the set dot contains C, then we will set dot add the C. Otherwise, we will remove it. Set dot remove the C from it. Then we finally just return set dot size is smaller or equal to 1. So last part is about testing. Let's say, because it's very easy, so we just use this platform to give it a test. But in normal interview, you will need to do some testing manually. So let's see why it is returning false. Okay, so its wrong answer. It's not what I expected. So for this, so car C stock to car array. So if the set contains a key, if it doesn't contain the key, then we should add. So that's a typo. So let's run it again. It should work, and then let's do a submission. Okay, so everything works. So that's it for this coding question. If you have any question about the puzzle or about the solution, feel free to leave some comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.